Persons with disabilities remain productive members of the Philippine community. This is stressed in a photo exhibit launched today. Sam Ramirez with the details.
Disabilities do not make a person unable and incapable of reaching their goals. It is the heart and the will that decides whether that person can achieve or fail. This is the core message of a photo exhibit launched at a mall in Mandaluyong entitled Photo Exhibit on the Incheon Strategy for Persons with Disabilities. The launching of the photo exhibit was headed by the Presidential Communications and Operations Office and Bureau of Communications in cooperation with the National Council on Disability Affairs.
Marami din na nagrereklamo ng mga magulang na ang kanilang mga anak ay hindi tinatanggap sa mga paaralan dahil sa kanilang kapansanan. Kaya gusto natin talaga ma-educate ang ating publiko na lalong-lalo na yung mga nagbibigay ng serbisyo na hindi kailangan na ipagkait sa may kapansanan ang kanyang karapatan na makapagtrabaho, makapag-aaral at makapabuhay ng malaya sa lipunan.
This is part of the National Disability and Prevention and Rehabilitation Week. It also focuses on the Incheon Strategy. It is one of the many international commitments of the Philippines. This is specifically targeted towards elimination against persons with disabilities, among others.
Meron itong hawig doon sa ating Philippine Development Plan na kung saan ang isang mahalagang batayang prinsipyo ay yung prinsipyo ng inclusive growth. Dito rin sa Incheon Strategy, ang layunin ay maging inclusive ang lahat ng mga programa na isinasagawa ng pamahalaan at sa lipunan para naman makalahok dito ang ating mga kapatid na may kapansanan.
Secretary Coloma invites the public to take some time off and visit the photo exhibit.
Naanyayahan natin ang ating mga kababayan kung sila ay mayroong panahon ay magtungo dito sa SM Mega Mall para tunghayan ang isang magandang paglalahad sa istorya at kondisyon ng ating mga kapatid na sa pagtataguyod ng National Council for Disability Affairs ng ating Department of Social Welfare and Development at sa pakikipagtulungan din po ng SM Cares.
Reporting for the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.